Hey, what's up? Sankar here for Kingmaker Trading YouTube channel and welcome back to another very exciting trading tutorial. So today we are going to talk about how to actively manage an advanced pattern trade. So let's get started. So guys, this is a trade that we took advantage of in a recent week. So first let me draw a Fibonacci retracement for this movement in the market like this, and as you can see, this market has stopped at this 0.786 retracement level, so that creates a valid Gartley 222 sell pattern. So this is the pattern that we are talking about here. After identifying the pattern, what I is determine the profit objective for that pattern. For that, I will use Fibonacci retracement like this, and then I consider my first profit objective for the pattern as this 0.382 retracement level, and for the second profit objective I consider this 0.618 retracement level as my second profit objective, and I consider this 0.786 retracement level as my final profit objective for an advanced pattern. So after deciding the profit objectives for the pattern, what I do is enter the market to go short in this particular trade. So my entry will be at this point. As you can see, market is right on top of this line right now, so let's make it something like black, and let's consider this as my stop loss. Let's make it red like that. Then what I do is wait for the market to reach my first profit objective like that. As you can see, market reached my first profit objective at this point. So what I will do at this point is, first I will take out 30 to 40% of the available profits at that point in the market, and then I will move this stop loss to the break even point. So what that will do is ensure that even if this market turns back at this point to go up, we will still be in a profit for this pattern. So what we have to do is always try to be sure that we are in the bright side of the market. So taking partial profits at this profit objectives will ensure that even if market turns back and stop out of this trade, we are still will be in a profitable trade. So then what I will do is wait for the market to make its move. All right, okay, all right. So guys, at this point market has broken and closed below this structure level, this previous structure low. So what I will do at this point is move my stop loss to a place higher than this previous structure high, okay, like this. So doing that will ensure that I am taking out as much as profit as I could. So let me explain why I move my stop loss to the point that is higher than this previous structure high. As you can see, market has made a retracement to the downside, then it made a retracement to the upside, and then it has broken and closed below this previous structure low. So if you have watched my video on how to trade in a trending market, you might know that this is a movement of a trending market. So this is a short-term downtrend in the market. So this trend will only be violated if and only if market breaks and close above this previous structure high. That is why we want to make sure that we are keeping our stop loss at the right place. Okay, at the same time we have to make sure that we are taking out as much as profit we could from the market. So after that, what I do is wait for the market to reach my second profit objective. Okay, as you can see guys, that at this point market reached my second profit objective. So what I will do at this point is I will take out 50% of the available profits at that point. So let me explain that with an example. So let's consider that I entered this market to go short with one trading lot. At this point I will take 0.3 trading lots. I will close 0.3 trading lots. So the remaining trading lots are 0.7. So 0.7 lots are available in this trade right now. And after reaching this point, I will take out 0.35 trading lots at this point. And then what I do is wait for the market to make its move. So it's ranging at that point. Okay, as you can see guys, so at this point market broke and closed below this structure low. So what I will do is again move my stop loss above this previous structure high. So at this point, so that will make sure even if this market turns back to the upside, I will get stopped out at this point, which means this profit will still be available in the market. So we have already booked this profit as our profit for this pattern, like that, just like that. So then what I will do is wait for the market to fill out my final profit objective, like that. Okay guys, that is how I manage an advanced pattern trade. So my approach for advanced patterns will be a little bit different in the different market conditions, like in a trending market or something like that. But mostly, generally, I trade and manage advanced patterns as I explained here. So if you made it to the end, like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to this channel because a lot more future content coming soon. So let's meet in the next video and you're gonna be an amazing trader.